Visa requirements for students in Croatia. Visa requirements for students that want to study in Croatia are different for students depending on their citizenship. Select your country below, learn about the relevant regulations, and find the embassies and consulates in your country. If you are planning to study abroad in Croatia, you must apply for a temporary stay and/or student entry visa in Croatia. Our ROC Apply team will assist you throughout this process. The Croatian government has requested that students applying to study in any of its prestigious institutions must submit the relevant application paperwork before arriving, for many other countries, or after arriving, for a few countries, in the country. Students from EU/EFTA countries do not need a visa to come into Croatia and can be in the country for up to 3 months on one visit. However, study periods longer than 3 months require that they should register for temporary residency, which is for a 1-year duration at the local police station in their current location within a few days of their arrival. Citizens of countries like Australia, Canada, the USA, and Japan do not need an entry visa to come to Croatia, but they must come along with all their necessary documents to apply for a temporary stay in Croatia. To find out your country's eligibility or visa standing, please contact us via email alongside your application inquiries. Citizens of countries like China, India, and the UAE can apply for a tourist visa and then proceed to apply for a temporary stay. However, we advise they apply for a student visa, as this makes it easier to apply for temporary stay if they wish to study in the country for periods over a year. Students from other nationalities would need to get an entry visa to enter Croatia. A student visa needs to be issued to the student at the Croatian embassy or consular in their home country. Students can submit their visa applications through mail or in person. Students from these countries can also apply for their temporary residence permit alongside their entry visa application, or they can begin their applications after they arrive at the nearest police station. Document required for visa application. Travel document I.E International Passport or I.D card for EU students. Letter of acceptance. 2 passport photos. Proof of accommodation. Proof of funds, in the form of a bank statement showing an adequate amount of funds depending on the study duration which you are applying for. Background checks or police report. Medical insurance. Visa fee. Please ensure that your documents are notarized and translated into Croatian by an official translator with an official apostille. 1. Step. Select your country. Step. Select your country. If you fail to submit all the documents in time, the embassy will ask you to book another date for your appointment. Therefore, to avoid delays, please submit all the documents in full. As the visa process for international students can take up to 3 months, depending on the country, we strongly encourage you to calculate enough time for it.